Tactful teaching, stick puppet, bird. Today we are going to learn how to make a stick puppet, but with the movement of flapping wings. Puppets with movements have always been fascinating to attract kids' attention. This video is a tutorial to make a stick puppet of a bird with flapping wings. Materials: 2 white A4 sheets, scissors, watercolors, paintbrushes, glue, pencil, stick, and color palette. Take 1 A4 sheet and fold it into half. You can see how I have done it. Draw a sparrow and its wing separately with pencil on folded sheet, or take a printout of the template. You can find the link to the template in the description of this video. Cut the outlines with the sheet folded. You will get 2 cutouts each of the sparrow and its wing. Color the sparrow cutout. Similarly, color the other one too. Color the cutout of both the wings by leaving some space on the top. This is how your wings would look. Apply brown paint on the back side of the wing cutouts. Fold the white part of both the wing cutouts inwards and apply glue on them. Paste the folded part of the wings on the dotted lines. This is how the sparrows will look with their wings pasted. Take another A4 white sheet and draw one line by leaving 1 inch from the top. You can see how I have done it. Cut the strip. Color the strip with the brown paint you used to color the sparrow. Apply glue on one side of the strip and roll it to make a straw. Draw lines of 6 centimeters on either side of the straw. Look, I have highlighted it for you. Give cuts on the lines. Fold both the ends as shown in the picture. Paste the stick on the non-painted side of the sparrow cutout. You can see how we have pasted it. Apply glue on the border of the non-painted side of the sparrow cutout. Stick the sparrow cutouts such that the white parts are pasted to each other. Apply glue on the folded ends of the straw. Insert the stick into the straw and paste the folded ends at the bottom. Look at this picture and paste the ends of the straw onto the underside of the wing. Here is our stick puppet with flapping wings. A flying sparrow is all ready to entice children with a beautiful puppet show or a story. So dear educators, pick up your pencils and your stationery. Let's make a beautiful stick puppet with some movement and invite children for stories and puppet shows. All the best! If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel. Never forget to press the bell icon and give a thumbs up to this video. Keep following us. Leave your comments and suggestions in the comment box. Thank you.